Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Just brief update on gold markets. Not too many things to comment, just few nuances that we got recently and is still forming in the market right now. So in general, you can see the market is standing really in a tight range below the resistance. And in general, overall performance for the week suggests that market is aiming and preparing for some upward action. So in whatever it will happen, in whatever manner it will happen, so it's either maybe just fake spike here, some just further breakout of this area in the moment by the volatility during barrels release, or it will be real breakout to the upside. The market will stay above it and keep going higher. Whatever it will happen, it seems that the market is currently aiming just to get some minor upward action. And in general, short-term sentiment is really positive. To discuss this, Wyoming statement is dovish, ADP report is worse than expected, so everything supports, at least was enough to keep gold market in a positive mood, at least till the moment of the barrels release. So on the interest rate charts, you could see it also was positive dynamic recently, so 10-year yield has shown minor downward action. Today it's a bit different, so you can see market is now showing the pullback, but it's mostly calling in the same area. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, this price standing here starts to form more visible, better and better shape of the triangle within the few sessions. And yesterday we already talked about the signs of the bullish dynamic pressure. So this bearish MACD and flat action on the market with the forming high lows. This indication of the bullish dynamic pressure. The target of this pressure, at least, is the previous top. It's right here. But pressure doesn't explain, as I said, the manner. So it might be a spike up, completion of this near standing target, completion of this free drive pattern, and sharp reversal, or it just could be the upward continuation. It's one thing that it tells that market should reach the previous top and touch it. So that's what we have currently on the 4-hour time frame chart, and the appearing of the triangle, which is potentially also bullish continuation pattern. Actually, it looks like the pennant on the daily chart mostly suggests the same. So on the hourly chart, currently we do not need any more idea of the reverse head and shoulders because price shape here has changed drastically. So if till this moment it might be treated as some kind of the choppy head and shoulders, but right now with this recent drop, it definitely the triangle that is forming. And when you're dealing with the triangles, usually the upward action takes the shape of the butterfly. So we talked about this recently as well. So here by the butterfly, we have the same target around 1829. On the 3 drive that we have, it's 1827, 60, 1828 almost. So it stands very close to each other. In general speaking, on the market performance, the market mechanics, I would suggest that spike will happen anyway on the volatility, even if barrels will be positive, just because the market makers were preparing market with this upward action for some upward continuation in this spike. And currently a lot of orders stands around it, and in the case of the mid barrels, many traders will start to possess themselves for possible, good barrels. They will try to possess themselves on the short side of the gold, and it will be really very temptative to the market makers to not grab the stuff that have been placed here, maybe slightly around this area. So this might be really some spike just to grab the stuff that have been placed right now with the opening short positions. Those traders who expect better barrels, or at least in a row with expectations. That's why if you still would like to keep the position or take the position where possible, payrolls release and this spike will happen, well, it would be better to act quickly. So if you intend to close the position and intend to wait when the market will hit 1820, 1827 areas with our targets, so use either orders or just sit across the computer and wait for this moment to be in time to close the position. Because it really could be a doom and gloom around the release, and well, the situation will be changing very fast. So that's actually what we have currently on the market.